My favorite thing about UTD is that you can always be yourself here. I have never walked around campus and found a person who is obviously trying to not be themselves. I once was greeted exiting the SLC by a person in a full Lord of the Rings like elf outfit, and she was wonderful, and she was a super nice person, and she was living her best life, and I was living my best life, and we could just go about our days being inclusive and ourselves, and it's a wonderful campus to just be who you need to be. I have always loved chemistry because everything in the universe can be boiled down to something chemical that makes it do that. Why is the sky blue? Why is it that when you set a pencil down, it doesn't fall through the table? Why do we use gasoline to power our cars? All of those questions are answered by chemistry. And I love the idea of being able to find the answers to any question that I could possibly want, because literally, the sky is blue because of the properties of the gases there, and things don't fall through the table because of the properties of the atoms there. And I love the idea of being able to figure that stuff out. And as I've moved, forward in my chemical education, I've been able to find even more crazy properties for even more crazy materials. Since I was able to get into it so early, I know an incredible amount about a very niche field, and it makes me incredibly desirable when applying for jobs and applying for internships, because I've already applied for an internship and gotten one at Johns Hopkins this past summer, where I was working at a materials innovation platform, and they liked my resume because I had done similar things to what they were doing before. So I was familiar with the instruments, I was familiar with the materials, and I had a general idea of what they were doing, which means they had to train me less, and I could spend more time actually making progress in my research. And so that's already something that's paid off, and I haven't even actually gotten into the job field. And then past that, by making those connections when I was there in the summer, I was able to get a job again for the time immediately after my graduation. So I've seen the benefits of UT Dallas's research-centered education, because it's already paying off for me and I haven't even gotten into the workforce yet. So I've had a really fun time as a leader in the Chemistry Student Association, because I've always been a big proponent of telling people what being a chemist means and getting just general chemical education out to the public. And my favorite event this year was going to the Fort Worth Museum of Science and History, and we participated in National Chemistry Week. And so we tie-dyed scarves with the children, and we used vinegar and Kool-Aid to tie-dye it. So it was a very cute opportunity, and we met lots of adorable kids who were able to tie-dye with us. Always, always, always get to know your professors. I cannot express enough how much just getting to know your professors is going to be able to help you in life, because any professor that you meet has the potential to be a mentor for you down the road if you just reach out and talk to them. Because sometimes if you reach out and talk to a professor, they're going to think that you're as cool as they are, and you're going to be able to make not just a mentor but a friend through your future. And they're going to be able to help you with your grad school applications and your future plans, and they may even get you an interview for a thing so that you can recruit other people to the same program. But really just being able to communicate with your professors and get people on your side is the best thing you can do for your future.